Taken from the Japanese word Kiiro, which means yellow, this special version unveils a new and very modern Juke body color called ceramic gray, which is offset by the addition of unique bright, spiced lemon yellow finishes on the lower part of the front bumper, at the base of the doors and rear bumper. Together, these flashes of color add dynamism and a provocative streak to the Juke Kiiro's exterior styling. An additional eye-catching detail is the aluminium finisher fitted to the lip of the front valance. The design of the Juke Kiiro's 19-inch wheels are taken from the top-grade Tekna version, but are painted black to give it a unique twist. Inside, the seats are upholstered in black and metallic grey leatherette. In addition to this new material, the front and rear seats feature flashes of yellow in the form of stitching, as do the central armrest, center console, front doors and running across the cockpit soft pad. The overall effect aligns the interior and exterior appearances. An aluminium plate applied on the center console, forward of the gear shifter, signifies this special version.